Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Nebulas on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Trust Wallet app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open up your Trust Wallet app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the icon for it. Just simply tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Nebulas. Once you search for it, just toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage. Now scroll down and click on NAS or Nebulas. Once you tap on it, now click on Receive button. Once you click on Receive, you will be provided with a unique QR code. With the help of this QR code, you'll be able to receive Nebulas from your other crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Nebulas on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.